Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Inventory with Zoho Analytics. This integration is incredibly useful for transforming your inventory data into visual reports and dashboards, helping you make better business decisions based on real-time insights. To get started, open your browser and head over to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're on the page, sign in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. This is where all your inventory management happens, and from here, we'll bridge the connection to analytics. After logging in, look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a 9-dot icon. This icon represents all your Zoho apps and serves as your gateway to the entire Zoho ecosystem. Click on it to reveal a menu with various applications and services available under your account. Once the menu appears, scroll down through the list until you locate the Business Process section. This section groups together apps that help streamline and analyze your business operations. Within this Business Process section, you'll find Analytics. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with the integration. Clicking on Analytics will open a new browser tab, taking you to the Zoho Analytics setup page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter some basic information to complete your registration. Fill in your organization name, contact number, and your role within the company. You'll also notice that Zoho offers a 15-day free trial, which is perfect for exploring all the features before committing. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click on Get Started. Now that you're inside Zoho Analytics, take a moment to explore what's available. Navigate through all the sections on your left navigation menu and check out the various features Zoho Analytics has to offer. You'll find options for creating custom dashboards, generating reports, and visualizing your inventory data in ways that make sense for your business needs. Here's the best part: by simply signing up for Zoho Analytics through your Zoho Inventory account, you've automatically integrated all your Zoho apps. This means your inventory data is now seamlessly connected to analytics, and your subscription is activated. There's no need for complex API configurations or third-party connectors. The integration happens instantly. With this integration complete, you can now leverage powerful analytics tools to track inventory trends, monitor stock levels, and generate comprehensive reports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.